Beijing is packed with amazing history and culture. We are going to share with you 10 of the best things to do in Beijing. Most of these places are easy to reach using the Beijing Metro, thus making your trip simple and stress-free. Our first destination is to visit Tiananmen Square and Forbidden City. We took a metro to Qianmen Street, Qianmen Metro Station. Across the road is the Muji Hotel Beijing, a popular meeting place for tourists. There's a giant portrait of Chairman Mao hanging on the front of the building. This is the Great Hall of the People in Beijing, symbolizing the nation's political center. It features on the back of the 100 yuan note, while the front note shows Chairman Mao Zedong, the founding father of modern China. The Forbidden City is also called the Palace Museum. It was home to emperors of the Ming and Qing dynasty from 1420 to 1924. Today, the Palace Museum is one of the most visited sites in China, attracting over 16 million visitors a year. It's about 6 degrees Celsius this morning, and there is a small coffee shop here which is already crowded. I really need a cup of coffee before we continue exploring this enormous palace of history. Dragons represent power, strength, supreme authority, and good fortune. The Forbidden City usually opens at 8:30 a.m., but closing times change by season. Please remember it closes on Mondays. To avoid the crowds, come early and wear comfortable shoes.
Later, go outside from the...
When you exit, you can take a bus straight to Qianmen Metro Station. Super easy and convenient.
Wow!
Since we are near the Qianmen Street Station, we came across this marvelous tower, Qianmen Archery Tower. The tower was built during the Ming Dynasty. It reopened to visitors in late 2024 after more than 30 years of renovation. Admission is currently free with an advance reservation. But Beijing is not just about ancient landmarks, so we are kicking off our adventure by tasting the legendary Peking Duck. The whole Peking Duck can cost anywhere from about 100 RMB to 400, so there is something for everyone's budget. Served with soft pancakes, scallions, and sweet hoisin sauce. It is so delicious. Our next exciting stop is the Beijing Olympic Bird's Nest Stadium. Take metro to the Olympic Park Metro Station. Exit at the southeast. It is so windy, 3 degrees Celsius today, but we are fortunate we can see some autumn leaves. Walking past this wall and seeing Datuk Lee Chong Wei's name from Malaysia, I'm so proud. That moment made me smile. Nearby is the Olympic Stadium souvenir shop. They even sell birds' nest shaped souvenirs here at this shop, and this is something that you won't find anywhere else. From the Olympic Bird's Nest Stadium, we walk to the Olympic Forest Park. Seriously, it is so windy and cold. Just right in front of the Forest Park, there is a metro station, so it is super easy and convenient. From the Forest Park station, we took a train down to Qianmen Station again to buy snacks. As you stroll along Qianmen Street, you will find snack shops selling soft mochi in flavors like red bean, black sesame, matcha, peanuts, along with other tasty candies. They even sell ready-made Peking Duck in packets. You can buy it and bring it back to your country. We found a famous Tanghulu shop. Fruits coated with sugar, sweet outside, tangy inside. We tried the sanjak and love it. So yummy! On day 3, we took a taxi early in the morning to the Summer Palace. The Summer Palace was first built in 1750 by Emperor Qianlong and served as a summer retreat for emperors to escape the city heat. The male lion guards the palace with a ball under his paw, symbolizing power and protection. The Summer Palace is a beautiful place to visit, especially in spring or in summer. It's super easy. At the exit, you can walk or take a rickshaw to XiYuan Station and catch the metro back to Beijing City. On day 4, we joined a tour to the Mutianyu Great Wall of China. We met up at Dongsi Metro Station. We have reached the base of Mutianyu Great Wall of China. We will take another bus to take a cable car before we start hiking the Great Wall of China. It is so cold and windy, 1 degree Celsius. We have a full video on the Mutianyu Great Wall of China, so I won't go into too much details here. The climb is steep. On day 5, we explore the Hutong area. We take a metro and stop at the nearest station, Dongsi Station. Some courtyards have been preserved since the Qing dynasty, some 500 years ago. We found this shop selling really good quality shoes at affordable prices. I have left the address for you to look up for. It is very near the Hutong area. What really stands out is the massive steel structure around the stadium. It's designed to look like a giant bird's nest. This is called Liang Pan Men. We try a popular local snack called Liang Jianbing, and it is really famous with the locals. Don't miss this. Yuxiang Lou-se. This is the name of a dish. That's the end. I hope you have enjoyed the video and the information have given you helped you in your travel. I see you in my next video. Subscribe and like.